been asked to do a quick explanation of from the newsletter why I was keen to short EUR the levels that I was picking, because I did a little update when the land was a little late, so I did one this morning. As you know in the newsletter, if you read it, which I'm sure you all do, being quite keen on selling rallies on the euro. The reason for that, as you know, I've been kind of, once we get to a target area, I sometimes get a bit lost to what to do, but I felt that the MACDs were beginning to turn round. We had a run down from, you know, we were talking about 132 getting up to 148.50, 149, maybe 150 area. We've had various support lines breaking, but as you can see, there really was increasing resistance there. 1, 2, 3, 4, did pop up yesterday, 5, 6 days with a MACD turning, did cross, so we were looking to get short. So basically shorting rallies, and then for the levels, now these lines, this I had as a longer term line, and this morning when I did a posting and I said the line was at 68 as a break point. Obviously it was quite a steep line there. We were advising shorting around 149. There was the break, and I had support at 148.20 area, and a line that was from there. I mean, it actually goes all the way back to the 27th of April, but there, nearly there, and then the next break point, as soon as it's below that line, it really is shorting. The problem is on the shorting there, you then go for congestive support there, so you probably have a little bit of a level there as a potential further breakdown. Obviously it's been heightened by what you know, the ECB have been saying. So come down there, where's it going now? You know, what's the next level? Really, it's not clear. You do have support at the 146 area here, and then it became resistance there, support there, popped up there. So there's a level there. So 146 breaks here, 145.50 area from there, again became resistance there, but slightly in the middle of no man's land, so a bit of a punt. Also on the gold, I've been keener on getting short. Again, looking at the dailies, it was very overbought there, started turning down. We've been looking short. That was the breakdown yesterday from a daily. I have another daily line. It's broken, so it's not very accurate, and also daily lines, there is a little bit of margin. You're really talking about closing above or below. We're right on support now, so if you've been shorting it, you're probably looking to cover it. If you're slightly mad or brave, maybe even going long with support there. The next support you'd be looking for, I don't know, 1,477. There's a bit of support there, 1,492. Yeah, so we're just above that at the moment. So that's really how the charts are working on it. I think it's probably the same with oil actually. Let me just check oil. Again, we've been looking short on there. There's the lines that I've had drawn on the hourly. So that's, you know, yesterday we were saying short. I had that line there. There's there's resistance there, so resistance there, stay below the line, getting short. It's come off a lot further than I thought. I was looking for 106 area and possibly even going long there, but again it's broken, down it comes. How far does it go? Well, again, look at the daily. You know, it's come up all the way from 85. For those who've been, you know, remember we've been talking it up. We did short it on that one. Here it was getting flat. It did cross at the beginning of the month, but again you can draw a line down. I think it's probably the same line as I've got on my hourly, or something pretty similar. You know, there it is. So where can it go to? Well, kind of natural good support should be the 100 level or 1000 level. Again, 95 possible. You know, we are very high if you look at a slightly longer longer scale. You know, we've been all the way down here. I remember having conversations a couple of years ago, being told not to buy oil when it was down at $40 a barrel, because it could get down to 25. But you just got to say, no, it's a buy down there. We have had a massive rise from back end of last year, 80, 200, 2,000 odd points, and so a bit of a hairy one to trade. So I don't know how many people are actually trading it, but yeah, that's the basis of the lines that I've been there. That's from the daily, so that's the basis of the lines I got. That was the breakdown point there. Again, it's all in the newsletter. So yeah, those are the lines that I'm working from, and that's the logic behind it. I'll try updating again later. Thanks, bye.